Another day, another English lesson. What would you do if? Imaginary situations and responses. We use the question, what would you do if, to talk about imaginary or unreal situations in the present or future. These situations are not happening now, but we imagine them and ask, what if this happened? This structure is often used to ask about problems, emergencies, or unusual situations and how someone might respond. Sentence structure. A. What would you do if past simple clause? B. I would space verb. The if clause uses the simple past tense, even though we are talking about the future. The answer uses would plus verb to show the imagined action. Examples. A. What would you do if you lost your phone? B. I would try to find it or call it. A. What would you do if you forgot your password? B. I would click Forgot Password and reset it. A. What would you do if you saw a robbery? B. I would call the police. This structure is useful for talking about how you would respond to imaginary situations, especially in real-life problem solving. Now, watch and complete the questions and responses with the correct form of the verb in parentheses.
What would you do if it started raining, and you didn't have an umbrella?
I would look for a place to stay dry.
What would you do if you missed your train?
I would take the next one.
What would you do if you lost your wallet?
I would go to the police station.
What would you do if your phone battery died in an emergency?
I would ask someone to help me.
What would you do if you saw a fire in your building?
I would leave the building and call for help.
What would you do if your internet stopped working during a video call?
I would try to reconnect or send a message.
What would you do if you got sick while traveling?
I would go to a doctor or a pharmacy.
What would you do if you found a stranger's bag on the bus?
I would give it to the driver.
What would you do if your friend didn't show up for a meeting?
I would wait a little, then call or text them.
What would you do if someone asked you for help in English?
I would try my best to understand and help them.
Thanks for watching this Worldwide ELT English teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.